Hi guys, we are Mike and Aga and we just found our next project at the side of the road. We found it curbside yesterday and we just took it straight in to give it a refinish. We cannot find any maker's mark, but it definitely looks like it's from the 50s. It's already been painted over once. You can see the paint job here. Everything seems solid wood so far. Nice dovetail drawers, classic mid-century legs. Even the back's been painted over. Hardware seems to be original. The weird thing is those drawers have no rails at all, so if you pull them out all the way they just lean, and it's like this on all of them, and there's definitely nothing missing, so it is by design. I might try and work something out to keep them from sagging, but they all slide very well, so no issues here. Apart from the bad paint job, there's very few issues with it, like literally tiny gouges, scratches. This one here, one on the bottom that might not even be a chip. It's no, actually it is, but like this one, it's just paint coming off. Okay, so this should be fun. Let's go. We just found some proof that it's from the 50s. It says inspected September 1955. The front of drawers are solid wood. They sand pretty easily, so Aga is going to stain them all and probably paint everything else.
I just finished sanding with 60 grit paper. I think these look really cool. The only thing I don't like is the bottom of the drawers. It's lined with the same stuff as the front was. I just tried sanding a little bit and I don't think I'm gonna be able to sand it, so I will have to line it with a liner sticker. I'm gonna sand the drawers with 220 grit paper now, and then I'm gonna do the same with the desk. Just remove the legs. I think I'll be painting them this time. I just wiped these drawers clean, and today I'm using this golden pecan stain. Wood stain is drying. Everything is sanded, so I'm gonna now clean the insides of the desk.
Aga's done with the stain and sanding, and I'm going to be fixing the drawers. Some of them are falling apart, so I'm going to glue them back together, and I'm going to glue a couple of pieces of wood to the sides. I'm gonna put them back in, use my pencil to mark the height, and I'm going to do it because when you pull the drawers all the way out, they have no support, so they're going all the way down. Only one of the drawers needed gluing, and again I didn't have long enough clamps, so I just went with some weights on top. I've glued 3 of those already. I left one because I only have 3 clamps, and I want to show you what exactly I meant, because I do not think I explained it well enough. I just removed the clamp, so that's the drawer without the piece that I glued, and if you pull it all the way out and leave it, it just sags down. There's no support on top, so that's kind of weird. I didn't like it. So it's basically just a small piece of wood that's gonna be preventing it from falling all the way down.
It's a rainy day today, so no painting for sure, but what I have planned for today is cleaning the drawers and applying the sticker liner. I'll be using the Murphy concentrated wood cleaner that I have mixed with water in the spray bottle, and I'll be lining the drawers with just white sticker. I didn't want to go for a pattern, but I didn't like any of the ones that were at the store, so I just went with plain white. I'm not sure if that's gonna look nice, but we'll see. Hi. I'm finally saying goodbye to my painting suit. I've had this for like 4 or 5 months, and Mike got me a brand new one. I'm really happy. This is so ripped and it's falling apart. It's barely even holding on these little rubber thingies, whatever that is. And also it says that it's disposable, and I've used it for like a good couple of months, so I'm really happy about that. Thanks to everyone who voted on our Instagram. We are painting this desk black, and to be exact, it's called Cracked Pepper by Bear. We are reusing the original hardware from the desk. I think it's pretty cool. I'm gonna give it a clean with oxygen orange degreaser, and then I'm gonna paint it black, 2 coats on each side. We are also reusing those leg inserts. They are not in the greatest shape, but I haven't got anything else I could replace them with, and we're just gonna go with it, I think.
Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed the video.
Thank you.
If you did, please leave a like and consider subscribing to our channel.
Let us know in the comments if you like how this desk turned out. We are actually really happy with the final result. We got this desk for free at the side of the road. It was a pretty easy project. It took us around 4 or 5 hours to finish, and we'll be posting it for around $300 on Marketplace.
Materials were around $15. The color combination was chosen by our Instagram followers, so thanks to everyone who voted in our poll.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thanks for watching, and we're going to see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.